The next area we're going to look at is the windows. Big part of the energy improvement for your home. Windows are not all the same. They come in various different styles, makes, and performance ratings. So that's key, that when we're doing these upgrades, that we get the highest performance for the best dollar. In the case what we're using here, we're looking at windows that are in the U value of roughly 1.0 or less, and that should be the goal. Now, one of the other benefits from windows is the installation method, vastly improved over what it was years ago, particularly when this house was built. When we take apart homes, we see quite often that there's very little insulation or sealant between the window and the frame of the house. It's a major leakage area for the house. So it's a bit of a bonus. You get the new windows and of course the upgraded performance, but you also get a modern installation, which makes a big difference. So we're going to go from here. We're going to go to the mechanical room. We're going to show you the heat pump, hot water system, and talk a little bit about that.